All right, it's time to make some rice pudding, people. Rice pudding, it's a Greek thing, and I'm gonna make it a little different because I'm gonna throw a mango in there. Mango. We're gonna throw mango in there. It's gonna taste delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Very simple, easy to make. Some arborio rice, which we have some arborio rice. It's like a thick grain kind of rice. Some coconut milk, unsweetened. Got a cup of sugar. We need 2 cups of water. We've got a whole quart of milk and 1 mango. So this is what we need to do. We're going to throw the rice in. We need 2 cups of water. We're gonna heat this guy up, and we're just going to mix this stuff up a little bit. And we're adding the sugar in with it. So while this is heating up, I'm gonna get my mango ready to go. This is super simple, okay? I've got my knife. I cut the end off, okay? Discard it so you have a flat surface, right? You just go right down the center, okay? And you just go right around the pit. And you go down the other side. And you go right around the pit. And we go down here, we go around the pit that way. Okay, and throw that out. Now I'm gonna do little cubes. So I'm gonna slice into it like this, very simple. And then I'm gonna cross it like that. See how I'm crossing it in? And then I'll just go halfway down. Flatten it and run it right down the side like that. And this one is just gonna be for me because I'm gonna eat it. God, oh, that's so good. And we're just going to mix this up, and we're going to stir it for a while. So I've got about 30 minutes of me just kind of standing here, stirring it. So you can see it's a little thicker, a little creamier now. And now we're going to add in the coconut milk. So I got light coconut milk. I'm just going to add that in there to go with it. And that's going to take us about another 10 minutes or more. We want this to be nice and thick. All right, so it's all set up. It's all warm. It's done. It's thick. It's thickened up. I'm super excited. I can't wait to try it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's perfect. And you want it nice and warm too, which is great. And I got a couple little pieces of mango left here. I'm going to throw those on top. Oh, that's going to be delicious. Let's have a bite. Let's try it out. I love it. So easy to make, so simple, so tasty. I absolutely love this. You're gonna love it. I'll put the recipe up. It's gonna be on the site. So make this super simple rice pudding, throw a little mango on it, and you're set to go. And we'll see you next time on Dad's That Cook. Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe, and we'll be in touch.